Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general section, of course, we have to find sound and vibration section. So let's tap. Now let's scroll down a little bit to find this kind of section also, because here you can see that we've got the phone notification and alarm ringtone. So basically here we can change the sounds. So let's tap on phone ringtone as it is in the title of this video, and after tapping on it we will be transferred to this list with pre-installed options from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option custom ringtone, which simply means that you will be able to pick something which is kind of installed on your device, but because of you. So for example, if you've got something downloaded, you will be able to set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from the pre-installed ones, and basically if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one, and of course volume it down because it's too loud, and it's still too loud, but that's okay. And basically this is how it works. Just tap on it and listen how it sounds. And if you like a specific option, so for example in my case this one, I'm not even trying to spell it out. Just make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.